What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Madjennsy here. Thank you so much for tuning in and coming back for my nail art tutorials. As you may already know me, I upload nail tutorials from time to time. I have been uploading from way back. Yes, I create my own design ideas, and lately I've been on, I'm kind of like been gone for a while. That's because I've been busy with work and stuff in life. But here I am. I'm back, and I always come back and deliver. Well, this time we have a very simple design. This was actually meant for spring, but since time went on and things got difficult for me, I ended up editing lately, and we have here a spring nail art design. But anyways, you can always adjust the colors and make it into a wintry design, you may say. This one is a floral nail art. I call it the peachy floral nail art because it's mainly about peach color. So if you have a peach nail polish around and you don't know what to do with it, but you also have the nudes and you want to make a beautiful combination with this too, I think this idea is super easy. Anybody can do it. You don't really need fancy tools whatsoever, and it looks so pretty and simple and fast. In fact, if you're running out of time, you don't have much time to think about what to do, well, this idea comes in perfectly. And what's great, that you can actually create the same design but with different colors, and you keep playing with that. And on this case, I decided to apply a 3D nail art decoration, but it's up to you, to be honest. You can simply add a rhinestone or something that won't come off easily. Of course, if you are into acrylic nails or gel nails, you can easily apply them and they will last like a lot of time, forever. But I only do nail art designs on natural nails, so before that, my nails grow up so fast, it is impossible for me to be wearing these acrylics or gel stuff. So I usually go for natural nails. The only con on that is that it won't last as longer as it would. But either way, I think in my opinion, it's healthy, it works for me, and it's fine. You can just continue adjusting and go with the flow and try out new designs. Anyways, hope you like this idea, and of course I'm open to suggestions and anything. Please use the sections to keep right on the tutorial right now, or you can just continue listening to me what else I've got for you. So I've been planning for a while to start creating different kind of videos, not only nail art design, but since I've been lately into other hobbies like crochet, pottery making, and other things, even gaming. I'd like to bring into here some of the aspects of my life and who I am into this channel. Not only show you one of my faces, which is my passion for nails, but I also would love to show you who I am, and that way would be to share with you all the things that make me a whole person that I am, like what are my interests, what I like doing, and what could be useful for you too, right? So stay tuned for different kind of videos. It could be anything, even cooking, so that's something that I'm planning. Alright guys, for those who are new to my channel, well, thank you so much for just hearing me out. And please make sure to subscribe for new videos and they're coming up. Also, I'm open to suggestions. You can head over to the community tab, drop in there some comments, anything. I will always read everything, and whenever I have some time, I always reply. Even though I could reply late, I will always reply back. I'm not like those YouTubers that will ignore the comments. Anyways, thank you so much again, and right on tutorial right now. Alright guys, so let's get started with this beautiful floral nail art. Like I was telling you, it's very simple and cute. We're gonna get started with some base coat, as often as usually do. Please pick your favorite one. Make sure you dry it fast, and it helps to actually strengthen your nails. I recommend Sally Hansen, my favorite brand ever. And here I got a couple of vegan nail polishes. One is peach and the other one is a nude color. So let's go ahead and paint the middle finger with a peach shade. As you can see, it's kind of like creamy and runny, so whenever you encounter this kind of nail polish, you want to go slowly and try not to load it that much because it's gonna end up too thick. And yeah, we're gonna paint the pinky nail, and the indexes and the ring finger are gonna be nude for this particular design. You can also use a pen corrector, which is actually a pen that you will drip in some nail polish remover, and then you can use it, like, you know, to correct anything on the edges so that, you know, it looks better. It's up to you. You can also use a toothpick, whatever works for you. You can do it right now or at the very end of the design. It's up to you. Alright, on the ring finger, we're gonna get it up with the dotting tool, some white nail polish, and we're gonna create just 4 dots, like so. 3 dots on the side, and this will create a flower. On the middle, we're gonna go with the peach nail shade to finish the flower. Now, I'm gonna draw one more flower, but this time I will invert the colors. And there you have it. So you have like 3 side flowers. A pattern that's super easy, and it looks so delicate and beautiful. Now for the index finger, I'm gonna go ahead and do this little lining, just a hint of peach to give it, you know, more style. And on the middle finger, I'm gonna put a 3D nail art decoration. This one will stick in gray with blue, but you can also use a top coat, but it won't last long though. So that's it, there you have it. Now you want to seal off this design with a beautiful fresh top coat, and there you have it. It's pretty easy, beautiful, and anybody can do it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.